Hi everyone, this is Charan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Charan Things. In the last episode, we learned about the tools, right? And this is episode 5 in the series of Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial series. And in this episode, you will be learning about a project panel, source panel, and the program panel. So, without any delay, let's start this video. Yeah. Okay, let us start with this project screen. Yeah, once you open your Adobe Premiere Pro, you will be seeing your project screen at the left bottom. So this is the project screen basically. Here we have a search bar, and I'll show you how search bar can be useful. So for that you have to import the any files, video files, and wait, yeah, I imported these three video files. So if I want this particular clip, I can just easily search it from here. um, Currently these names were unarranged, so this search bar helps if you import a lot of clips and you want a particular one. You can just simply search it right here. And next we have this pen. Uh, the project is returnable. This project can be returnable, so it cannot be uh, if you click this projects cannot be imported to the timeline. This can be imported to the source, but it cannot be imported to the timeline. So this is a lock. Now next we have list view. So list view is nothing but these files, these imported files will um, show up as a list, yeah, like this. And next we have icon view. Icon view is nothing but you will see the thumbnails of these videos like this. And next we have um, freeform view. Yeah, in this freeform view you can see the yeah, you can see the videos like this. So next we have this adjusting toggle. So this is how this adjusting toggle helps us. Currently let me switch it to the icon view. And next we have the search bar. Here you can search again, it's also a search bar. And next we have bin, new bin. All the deleted videos will go to this. And next we have new item. New item is very useful because it helps you to add some bars and black videos and all. So if you have any like squared video or circle video, you can add this what you call black video in that and replace it. Yeah, let me show you by importing a black video. Here you have to select the ratio, I mean height and width. So let me keep it as a default. So I got a black view, it's a blank. So I can import this to the timeline, and this is how the output looks like. So this is useful when you are editing some kind of videos. um, and next we have this delete button, clear. So if you click this, the selected clip will get deleted. So if I want to delete this clip from this project screen, you can simply do this like this. Yeah, yeah, that's it for project screen. Next we have, wait on. Next we have the source source screen. So let me explain what source screen is basically. So once you import your videos to the project screen, you should bring that uh, video clip to the source. Source is the place where you can cut the video. You can trim the video. Okay, let's say I want the video from this point to this point itself. So I can just simply mark an in point right here, and an out point right here. And then if I import this to the timeline, only this part of the video comes to this timeline. So that's how this source panel helps us. And we have another thing in the source panel. Okay, let's say if I want to import this video, only video, not I don't want the audio to get imported to the timeline. So I want the video only. So I can just simply this select this and import it to the timeline. So here I get the video only. And next let me show you the this one. Here I can import audio only. So, and next we have this insert button. Insert button is nothing but you can import this to the timeline by clicking this insert button, and this is also same like that. And here we have a lot of tools that you can use in source monitor, and currently we don't need to look all of this. And here you can select the videos, I mean the collage, and I know you got it. Next we have this fit. Yeah, fit is helps us like this. So if I import this, the preview will be look like, yeah, preview will be same, but for the detailing and other purpose, this will help you like this. So, uh, keep it as 25%. It's a basic um, and that's it for source monitor. Next we have program monitor. In this video, program monitor is the end. So program monitor is nothing but you see the output, how the edited video will look like. Wait, I'll show you. Yeah, this is how the uh, our preview edited video will look like. Yeah, yeah, I know you got an idea about this program monitor. You can here also you can mark in and out points. Okay, you edited a 25 minutes of a video, and you want only 23 minutes of that video. So you want to erase the first 2 minutes of the video. You can mark the video. You can mark the in point of the video after 2 minutes, and then export. From here, you can export the video. So the starting 2 minutes video clip gets deleted, and this wait on this program monitor is can be useful to watch the output. Okay, let me show you by adding an effect to this. We have some cinematic lumetri panel, lumetri colors. Wait, I'll apply this to the selected clip. mm, Wait, yeah, let me import this to the apply this to the this particular clip. And yeah, that's how this program monitor shows us the output. And the tools we have in this is add a marker, so you can add markers. Yeah, you will be learning about these markers in the further videos. And next we have input and I mean in points and out points. Next we have go to end. I mean, if you mark the in point and click this go to end, you will start the video from the in I mean mark in point. And next we have pause and play button, and this is helps us to forward and backward. And next we have go to out point. So if you click this out point, you will go to the out point, I mean the out point that you are selected as mark out. So next we have this left, I don't know. Yeah, next we have extract. Next we have this photo. So if you want this particular photo, okay, let's say you gave some styles for the thumbnails. So this part okay, I can screenshot this particular as an export this like this, and click ok. So this frame will come goes to my selected destination. And next we have the comparison. Yeah, like this. Comparison is nothing but you can compare the videos like one and two. This is video clip one, and this is video clip two, right? And you can compare these videos like. And that's it for today's video. And in the next episode, you will be learning a few more things about this uh, Adobe Premiere Pro. So make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon on for quicker updates, and like the video, and drop a comment if you have any doubts, or if you wanna give me a feedback that how my videos are going like. So I hope you got it. So that's it for today's video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.